To prevention, what the research says. The good news is that antioxidant and their supporting nutrients can eliminate or at least significantly reduce all of the causes of inflammation in the arteries. Hundreds of clinical studies looking at the heart disease report a significant health benefit with the use of nutritional supplements. Let's now look at each individual nutrients and see what its particular role is in slowing down or preventing this inflammatory reaction. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is the most important antioxidant when it comes to hindering the process of hardening of the arteries. The main reason vitamin E provides such a powerful defense is the fact that it is fat soluble, making it the most potent antioxidant with the cell wall. Vitamin E actually incorporates itself with the LDL cholesterol. The higher the vitamin E levels within the cell membrane of the native LDL cholesterol, the more resistant the LDL cholesterol is to becoming modified or oxidized. Wherever the native LDL cholesterol goes, the vitamin E travels right along with the it. It is the important to understand that as I mentioned earlier, LDL cholesterol does not become oxidized within the artery or itself, but only when it travels through the thin lining and into the sub 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 and क्या है ये
Endothelial.
endothelial space. Researchers now believe that the high antioxidant content of the plasma or blood does not allow for this change to occur in the artery. In the subendothelial space, the surrounding cells offer significantly less antioxidant protection. If the vitamin E content of the native LDL cholesterol is high, it is protected from becoming oxidized even if passes into the subdental space. Remember, the monocycle white cell pickup and drop of native LDL cholesterol, so buildup does not occur. Keeping the native LDL cholesterol from the being modified would prevent the entire inflammation process from the start.
Okay. So can someone explain?
Mm.
We will have to figure out what is subendothelial space.
जो अंदर का स्पेस होता है ना, कल डायग्राम में बताई थी, उसको
Sorry?
ये वाला, दिस लेयर।
जो इनर लाइनिंग होती है ना, कल अनु अपन ने एक दो दिन से वी आर रीडिंग अबाउट एंडोथेलियल एंड सब एंडोथेलियल लेयर,
Okay. Yeah.
so that is like inner layer.
दिस वन।
So विटामिन ई इट इज ऑब्वियसली इम्पोर्टेंट, बट क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो सिंपल लैंग्वेज में it protects this LDL cholesterol from getting oxidized. है ना? Anything you want to add, Gitanjali?
हमारा आता है अलग से विटामिन ई।
हाँ, वही मैं बताने वाली थी कि जब आप लोग सब बिजनेस में नहीं थे, काफी टाइम पहले विटामिन ई अलग से आता था, एक्चुअली बहुत बढ़िया था वो, बट
हमारे अब दो नहीं आते ना, विटामिन ई और पोटाशियम।
हाँ, पोटेशियम तो पहले भी नहीं था, बट विटामिन ई था,
Okay.
मैंने खाया है। सो आई हैव
Okay.
यूज्ड इट, विटामिन ई। बट अदर कंट्रीज में है, आई थिंक यूएस में है विटामिन ई अभी भी। बट कल ही मैं देख रही थी यूट्यूब पे, यूएस में भी, मतलब ये जो हर्बल रेंज जो है हमारा अश्वगंधा एंड ऑल दिस वाज मेनली फॉर इंडिया, बट अभी यूएस में भी दे हैव स्टार्टेड न्यूट्रलाइट का अश्वगंधा। So I
And
think other countries.
I was seeing on in Google, बाहर तो न्यूट्रलाइट के बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है, 21,000 ऐसे हैं सब रेट्स प्राइसेस। कुछ चेक कर रही
डॉलर्स
थी,
में है ना?
नहीं, if you are
21,000।
converting it to an Indian currency
नो
like
नो,
that.
नहीं नहीं, फिर भी 21,000 तो बहुत ज्यादा होता है, इवन इफ वी कन्वर्ट, तो वहां पे बहुत
You mean
एक्सपेंसिव है।
$21,000?
नहीं नहीं, 21,000 इंडियन रुपी। इट वॉज
That's
गिवन
what
इन
I'm
इंडियन
saying.
इंडियन रुपी में ही दिया हुआ था प्राइस, बट अगेन 21,000 फॉर अ सप्लीमेंट इज टू मच।
नहीं, did you check on the website, और क्या इफेक्ट इम्पैक्ट का डिफरेंस होता है? वो सबको पता है ना, कल ही हमने पढ़ा था, कार्डियोवेस्कुलर, हार्ट स्ट्रोक, आर्टरीज हार्डनिंग, ना, प्लेग, सो मेनी थिंग्स। ठीक है, सो आई होप कि ये तो सिंपल था, सबको समझ आ गया होगा। सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू विटामिन सी। हु वांट्स टू रीड?
I'll read.
या।
Vitamin C. Recent studies show us that vitamin C is the best antioxidant within the plasma or fluid of the blood, primarily because it is water soluble. Vitamin C supplementation has been shown to preserve and protect the function of the endothelium. Remember, endothelial dysfunction is at the core of the inflammatory process. Core of this inflammatory process. Since maintaining the integrity of this thin lining of the artery is of utmost concern, numerous studies have appeared involving supplemental vitamin C to either prevent or decrease cardiovascular disease. Vitamin C has also been proven effective in protecting the LDL cholesterol from becoming oxidized within both the plasma and the subendothelial space. Yet another benefit of vitamin C is that it has the ability to regenerate vitamin E and intracellular glutathione, so they can be used again and again.
Okay, so vitamin C.
Glutathione.
Yeah. Okay, so विटामिन सी, गुड न्यूज इज दैट इट इज कमिंग बैक। आई एम श्योर कि रीवैम्प करके और री इन्वेंटेड फॉर्म में आ रहा होगा, सो उसका जो कॉम्पोजिशन है वो और पहले से ज्यादा बेटर हो रहा होगा। तो आई एम लाइक desperately waiting कि क्या नया आने वाला है विटामिन सी में, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ क्लाइंट्स दे आर आस्किंग फॉर इट। तो it is going to be very good, although I still have purana vitamin C, always keep a stock of it, so nothing to worry, but still I'm excited कि vitamin C नया आ रहा है। So get excited about any of the new product launch. Okay, vitamin C, can anyone quickly explain? So vitamin E is fat soluble, है ना, and vitamin C is fat soluble or water soluble?
Water soluble. It is water soluble.
Water.
वाटर सोल्यूबल और फैट सोल्यूबल में क्या डिफरेंस होता है?
वाटर सॉल्युबल बॉडी में एक्सेस वाटर अगर एक्सेस में आ जाए तो बॉडी में वाटर के साथ ही रिमूव हो जाता है। फैट में स्टोर होता है फैट सॉल्युबल न्यूट्रिशन।
और ज्यादा टाइम तक स्टोर रहता है बॉडी में।
राइट, फैट सोल्यूबल फैट सेल के साथ में बाइंड होके रह सकता है, बट वाटर सोल्यूबल रिप्लेनिश एवरी डे, तो डेली का डेली में चाहिए। दैट इज व्हाई विटामिन सी, विटामिन बी, वी हैव टू हैव वेरी गुड अमाउंट ऑफ इट। बॉडी कांट स्टोर एंड कीप इट। ठीक है, सो विटामिन सी सबको समझ आ गया ना कि क्यों जरूरी है. See, it is like it can help and prevent up to and decrease the cardiovascular disease ना, उस तक रिस्क को कवर करता है विटामिन सी. तो जब भी नेक्स्ट विटामिन सी आए, प्लीज start it immediately, especially all of you are staying in metro cities. And nevertheless, metro cities or not, you know, हार्ट तो कहीं पे भी है, तो एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग हैज हार्ट. इट इज नॉट लाइक हार्ट इश्यू होगा तब ये विटामिन लेंगे. अगर हार्ट है और उसको बचाए रखना, देन दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. एज सिंपल एज दैट. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, ग्लूटाथियोन. हु वांट्स टू रीड?
I can read it.
ओके.
Glutathione is the most potent intracellular antioxidant and is present within every cell. Patients with known coronary artery disease have lower levels of glutathione within their cells than people whose arteries are healthy. Glutathione is a key antioxidant because it is contained in all the cells that surrounds the subendothelial space. When you take the nutrients needed for the cell to make more glutathione, selenium, vitamin B2, niacin, and N-accept HL, cysteine, you are improving the body's overall antioxidant defense system. Bioflavonoids. Thousands of bioflavonoids exist within our fruits and vegetables. Here is the rule of thumb. The more varied the color of your fruits and vegetables, the greater variety of bioflavonoids you will get. These extremely potent antioxidants also have some anti-allergen and anti-inflammatory properties. Red wine and grape juice have a product called polyphenols, for example, which have been shown to decrease the formation of oxidized LDL cholesterol. They also help protect the integrity of the endothelium. Grapeseed extract is believed to be the best bioflavonoid antioxidant in helping prevent chronic inflammatory disease.
Okay. Any doubt in this? Simple. That's why we tell our clients to make their colors, plate colorful. Eat like a rainbow, different colors of vegetables. Right?
But we are not having
Anyone
fruits
want?
in our diet due to fructose.
Sorry?
We'll be not allowing fruits in our diet, Nirjara, due to fructose.
That is a different thing. Program science is different, but here this doctor is talking in general. Matlab, obviously, our science is different, so there would be a little bit of different information. But obviously, once the client finishes the program, obviously they'll have that normal, healthy eating habits. So then they'll eat fruits and all. Okay, anyone has any doubts or any question, or shall we move ahead?
We can move ahead. ये सब हमारे को
Okay.
एक्चुअली बहुत काफी कुछ है ना. we'll have to memorize it. मतलब काफी कुछ, जैसे डॉक्टर्स कैसे दे प्रैक्टिसिंग डेली, वो भी सब पढ़ते हैं, 5 साल स्टडीज करते हैं, बट डेली दे आर गिविंग द सेम मेडिसिन, तो उनको मेमोराइज हो जाता है. भी हमारा इतना ऑफन नहीं है, बट डेफिनेटली वी विल हैव टू. इतना थ्योरी याद रखना पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट वी विल हैव टू कीप ऑन रीडिंग द बुक अगेन एंड अगेन.
Yes,
बाकी
that's what I was asking. कि जैसे गीतांजलि इज डूइंग दैट येलो दैट बुक मार्क वाला लाइन करके अंडरलाइन करके, सो दैट एनी टाइम यू वांट टू
Highlight करके।
रिफ्रेश, सो इट विल हेल्प यू, आपको वापस से पूरा बुक पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. In fact, very good point Anu has made. So yesterday only I was thinking, I think this book is like that कि हर साल या हर 6 महीने में एक बार पढ़ना चाहिए हमको. At least main chapters or like important things. So whenever you are reading the book, if it is very important, just take a marker or pen है ना कि underline करके important things. So the next time when you read, you can quickly open the book and you read it in a very fast manner. ठीक है, okay. So we'll go to the nutrition, medicine, the prevention. Start, whoever wants to read.
I'll read.
Yeah, sure, Ritika. Good to see
Nutritional.
you.
Thank you. Nutritional medicine through prevention. Research scientists are discovering that the root cause of heart disease is inflammation resulting from oxidative stress. Now, clinicians, practicing physicians like me, need to take this information and make it practical and useful for you, the patient. But both physician and researchers have a tendency to treat basic nutrients as drugs. That is, they test the body's response to just one nutrient at a time so they learn its exact potential. For example, they'll conduct a study with vitamin E, then a respective study will look at vitamin C, and then a separate study will examine the effect of beta carotene. Occasionally, a clinical trial does not show any significant health benefit, and physicians and researchers hesitate in recommending that particular nutrient. This is what creates the controversy you see in the media and in the medical literature. Physicians want to know beyond any shadow of doubt that a particular nutrient will help before they will go on record to recommend any form of nutritional supplementation. But they are missing the all important synergistic effects of nutritional medicine. This refers to the ways antioxidants work together. To halt oxidative stress, the body needs enough antioxidants to handle all the free radicals, and the antioxidants need all the supporting nutrients to do their job well. These ingredients work in synergy as they accomplish the ultimate goal of defeating the oxidative stress. I suggest that my patients provide all the nutrients to the cells and tissues at optimal levels. I want to stop this inflammatory process for even getting started. Therefore, I recommend that they have the highest level of vitamin E possible with the LDL cholesterol itself in order to protect it from becoming oxidized. I have found my patients need to have optimal levels of vitamin C to protect the integrity of the endothelium, decrease the oxidation of the LDL cholesterol, and regenerate the vitamin E and glutathione. Beta carotene, along with all the different types of carotene, is also necessary to help the prevent or slow down this process. I want to build up the glutathione levels within the cells by giving the body its precursors selenium, vitamin B2, N-acetyl L-cysteine, and niacin. In the next chapter, you will also learn the importance of folic acid and vitamin B6 and B12 in reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Again, all of these nutrients work together either to eliminate or to decrease the inflammation in the arteries. The synergistic effect of supplementing all of these nutrients together is the key. That is why cellular nutrition is so critical to our health. In the next chapter, meet the new kid of the block, homocysteine.
Okay. Quick summary of what Ritika read.
Says that doctors and researchers work on single nutrition at a time. They'll give them their patients a single nutrient and then they'll record the effects of it. But and sometimes they don't find any particular effects of that particular nutrient, so they don't recommend it. But this doctor is suggesting that all the nutrients are important for the better effects. So he recommends all his patients that he should take the proper supplementation in proper amount, in an optimal amount, so that it can work collectively to reduce or minimize the effects of the oxidative stress.
राइट गुड। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि जस्ट बिकॉज एक स्टडी या रिसर्च में उसका कुछ बेनिफिट नहीं आया तो दैट विल नॉट बी हेल्पफुल। इट इज लाइक व्हेन यू टेक ऑल दीज विटामिन्स टुगेदर, वो सिनर्जिस्टिक इफेक्ट होता है ना, इट्स लाइक इंटरकनेक्टेड है। सो दैट इज व्हाट इम्पोर्टेंट है। ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ विटामिन सी लिया तो वो अपना सब काम कर लेगा। इट इज नॉट दैट लेवल ऑफ मल्टी फंक्शनल, है ना, उतना भी कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है कि एक विटामिन लिया तो वो पूरी बॉडी को सब चीज से प्रोटेक्ट करेगा। सो अलग अलग विटामिन हैज डिफरेंट फंक्शनैलिटी, है ना। ऑब्वियसली सारी चीजें याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं, बट वॉट एवर यू कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट रिमेम्बरिंग दीज थिंग्स, है ना। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है, जैसे कि विटामिन सी इज वाटर सोल्यूबल ना, बेसिक, जो आपको डे टू डे कंसल्टेशन में भी काम आ सकता है फॉर योर क्लाइंट्स और टू एजुकेट देम। ओके, नेक्स्ट पेज, like Gitanjali, can you show how much it is? अच्छा,
Does
next
anyone
chapter.
here does anyone here take vitamin E?
विटामिन ई अभी तो है
My
नहीं ना।
mother has taken vitamin E
I
earlier.
know Neutralite में
Earlier
नहीं
it
है,
was
but
parselenium
written
E
that.
in
राइट
Nutrilite
राइट,
earlier.
पार्सलिनियम,
Like
करेक्ट
right,
करेक्ट।
like 15 to 20 years back, there was parselenium E, and my mother has taken that, and it was, even we used to take it, and our skin was awesome at that time. It had very good
राइट
effects on everything, and but that quantity should be limited. I guess they used to tell that you should take one, like if the it was having 30 tablets. So one tablet a day. After a month, they used to stop it for some time, and then they can continue because it is a fat soluble vitamin.
Again, if it is so important, why did they stop it? Why they're not making it?
That is
एक्चुअली
included in some
इसकी
other. Sorry,
इस
please you can tell.
एक्चुअली विटामिन ई हम इसलिए मिनिमम यानी कि नॉर्मल क्वांटिटी में लेते हैं और उसके बाद छोड़ते हैं ताकि उसकी बॉडी में टॉक्सिसिटी ना हो जाए, because we don't continuously check the levels of vitamin E and vitamin D, because वो टेस्ट थोड़े से कॉस्टली होते हैं, so we don't recommend to go on testing every time. So विटामिन डी और विटामिन ई डॉक्टर्स रिकमेंड करते हैं आप थोड़ा टाइम लो, उसके बाद स्टॉप करो, फिर अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको फिर से लेने की जरूरत है, देन अगेन टेक इट फॉर सम टाइम। एंड विटामिन ई का एक और बेनिफिट होता है, जिसके किसी के क्रैम्प्स पड़ जाते हैं ना, लाइक हम कहते हैं कि वेन पे वेन चढ़ गई, तो उस इन लोगों के लिए विटामिन ई इज वेरी बेनिफिशियल। उन केसेस में कहते हैं कि विटामिन ई लेना चाहिए।
You're saying vitamin
Gitanjali, can you stop the recording?
Nirjala, this is important. Let it be in the.
If you will go to many of the doctors, they will not quite support you. Now probably in India some of the minority of the doctor are recommending, but otherwise also it's still a myth, you know, it's still a no from them, because they are like nahi vitamins mat lo, nahi supplements mat lo. Reason being very simple, because जो drug वो लोग prescribe करते हैं, that is a $1 trillion industry. उनको विटामिन में उतना कुछ मिलना नहीं वाला है, and medical industry is all about curing a disease, है ना। लाइफ लॉन्ग एक ड्रग स्टार्ट करके उस पे चलाना है कमर्शियल पर्पस के लिए। इट इज नॉट अबाउट आई मीन प्रिवेंटिंग एनी डिजीज, है ना, और इस डिजीज से आपको बचाना। इट इज लाइक क्योरिंग अ सिम्टम, उसको बस सप्रेस करते रहना until it takes a big volcano effect. So that's what we have to understand. It is again on record, I'm telling, I am not putting any doctors or medical professional down. No, it is their job at the end of the day. That's absolutely fine. But as a wise individual, when we are in this domain, we have to understand it very well कि कहाँ पे कौन सा कमर्शियल इफेक्ट के लिए चीजें की जाती है और कहाँ पे we can actually save our own lives. That's why we are reading this book, to understand in depth कि what is the actual importance of nutrition in our day-to-day lives. ठीक है ना, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो डोंट गेट इनटू दैट माइंडसेट कि ओ डॉक्टर तो ये रेकमेंड करते हैं, यहाँ पे तो ये बता रहे हैं. डोंट create that kind of confusion in your mind. Now, very two different, separate. And if you will see any of the medical classes, nutrition के लिए hardly they will devote 20 minutes, है ना, और just very small time they have those classes lecture nutrition पे. और उस टाइम में हम ही इतने टाइम कि मैं अच्छे से पढ़ने के बावजूद हमको समझ नहीं आ रहा. इमेजिन हाउ कैन वन अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट न्यूट्रिशन इन दो स्मॉल टाइम्स. So most of their study is all about allopathic medicine कि अच्छा ये सिम्टम है इसके लिए ये दवाई दे दो, ये सिम्टम है ये दवाई दे दो, that's it. It is never that healing पे classes और ना होता है. So that is what we have to understand. ठीक है, okay. So it was a very good discussion today and let's connect tomorrow. I think गीतांजलि कब स्टार्ट किया था आपने सेशन? 57 पे. Okay, ठीक है. So we have a minute. I just want to quickly like put out what we attended yesterday. So I was thinking we should start with that 3 audios promotion, है ना, 3 audios in a day. What do you guys think? At least 3 audios तो सुन ही सकते हैं यार 30-40 मिनट का.